Hello everybody and welcome to the garage. Today we are going to unbox these wheels. I'm not going to tell you about them till I get them open, but they are something special. I've chosen to upgrade the tires and wheels here on my Performance Model Y. It's got 39,000 miles on it, and I felt that I needed to upgrade to the same size and shape that we'll find on the long-range Model Y. You know, I drive lots and lots of miles, I drive everywhere, and I prefer having a tire with a little bit more rubber between the wheel itself and the ground. These are 255 45 19s, the exact same wheels that a long-range Tesla Model Y gets stock. The only difference is the Gemini wheels are 9.5 wide, where these are 8.5 wide. All right, let's get this unboxed and we'll have a look at these wheels. I bought these wheel set from the manufacturer and they were actually very happy to provide me a complete wheel set. That means the tires, the wheels, they even did the tire pressure monitoring gauges, the National Model Y. And in here, there's a plastic band that runs all the way around the tire. This holds the front and back cardboard on to not be damaged in shipping. Looks like I got one more here. I don't stab myself for doing well. Oh, two more. And they're in there. Almost there. All right, that's it. All right, well, let's have a look. Any guesses to who manufactures these wheels and tires? All right, well, let's take a look. They're taped on and packaged well. Oh, darn it. They shipped them to me via UPS. UPS delivered them yesterday. And we'll see what we can get here. All right. Okay, here we are. You ready? Come on. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Anybody guess what these are? These are Martian wheels. They are MW03s. I chose the MW03 because I've used that on my other vehicles. I use them in autocross. They are a forged wheel. A forged wheel, of course, provides many advantages over a stock regular flow forged wheel. One of the benefits, of course, is a forged wheel is stronger and lighter than the regular flow forged wheels. These are painted and powder coated. They have the tire pressure monitoring system already in it. They come balanced. And one of the little touches you see with Martian wheels, can you see the tire weight here? Yeah, I bet you hardly can see it. It's actually black. Matches the inside of these wheels. Well, these things are pretty. Too bad I'm going to get them muddy and dirty when I drive to Wyoming and all over the place this year, but that's okay. All right, so there you have it. Let's get these things unboxed, installed on the Model Y, and we'll have a look. I'll show you how to do that. These are Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4. They're 255. The width here, 255 millimeters of the tire. That's here. And then they are 45 this way. Gives me plenty of rubber between the wheel and the bottom of the tire, which of course is the road. And they are on 19-inch wheels here. All right, well, let's get these things on the car. We'll have a look there. Our first step, of course, is to go ahead and put the jacks under the car, jack it up slightly, to use the breaker bar, remove the tight lug nuts, jack it up the rest of the way, use my drill gun to spin them off, take the tires off here, the 20-inch tires, put the new tires on, start them, hand start them, or start them with the drill gun slowly, and then lower it down a little bit, torque them up, and we're done for the right side. So let's get to it. Let's turn the pitch up and let's go. Well, there you have it. Wheels off, wheels on. Don't these new ones look nice? Look at that. All right, let's set up. We'll do the other side. It's the left side now here on the Model Y. Let's get these old tires off. Let's get these new tires on. Let's turn up the speed and let's go. There you have it. 4 new tires, Martian MW03s, Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4s, 19 inches, all here on the Model Y. All right, well, let's get cleaned up. I'll take it for a ride. Didn't take long for the TPMS, tire pressure monitor sensor, to report to the car, and now I have 4 pressures shown on each wheel. Worked out real well. Tires drive fine, and I am good to go. That is a really great looking wheel. Martian MW03s, Michelin 255/45 ZR19. They are Pilot Sport All Season 4. They're really awesome. Changing your own tires is not a big deal if you have the right equipment. Mainly you need a torque wrench, you need a jack, some sockets. These are non-marring sockets, and a little bit of know-how. You can change and rotate your own tires. It's pretty darn simple. If you would, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow it. And also pass along my video links to your friends. I bet you they'd like to see it as well. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.